I have the M4 iPad Pro, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to multitask with up to 4 or even 5 apps, right? So basically multitasking with more than 2 apps. So before you get started, make sure multitasking is enabled on your iPad. So if you go into settings and then on the left hand side, select multitasking and gestures and make sure split screen, split view and slide over is selected. Okay. And so once you enable that, you can now use multitasking. Now let's go ahead and open one app we want to use in this multitasking mode. And then you can swipe up gently to get to the dock. And then you can open the second app by pressing and holding the icon and then dragging it either to the right or to the left. So I'll drag it to the right and release it there. And now as you can see, I have 2 apps already in multitasking mode. This is just a normal split screen. Now to add another app, I can swipe up again and I can either select from these apps in the dock or go to the app library and select any app that I want. Okay, so for instance, if I want to go to the podcast app, I can just long press and then release it in the middle, and that's going to open this side app. Okay, I can close and bring it back anytime and use it, close, use this app and this one, and bring this one back anytime I want it. Now to add even a 4th app, again, I'll go to either the app library or here. Let's say I want to use notes, long press, release it in the middle there, and it's going to be added on top of this side app. And I can switch between the apps in the side section like this. Okay, and I can hide all of them like that and continue multitasking with the 2 main apps. Okay, so I can even add another app. So if I go to, let's say, Safari, place it in the middle there, and it's going to get added to that side list of apps, and I can switch between them like this, and I can still hide all of them and continue using these 2 apps. So that is basically how you can multitask with more than 4 apps on the M4 iPad Pro. And you can tell nothing is laggy, nothing is hanging. It's a very powerful iPad, and that's basically how to do that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.